Welcome to our first lesson in the Selenium framework section. It's a very exciting turning point in our test automation learning journey. We also decided to switch from using Eclipse to a different IDE, IntelliJ IDEA. It's helpful to learn both Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. So let's make the switch and learn together.
Hello, Mr. Beatcoder and team! That sounds very exciting. I have heard some great things about IntelliJ IDEA. Now, we've already installed IntelliJ IDEA. So, let's jump into IntelliJ IDEA and get started by creating a new Maven Project team.
Sweet as! Now, we are in IntelliJ. It looks slightly different than Eclipse, but don't worry, we will learn together. It will take a while getting used to the new tool, but I am loving it already. Let's click on File, then New, and select Project. Now let's select Maven Archetype and input our Maven project name. Let's call it Selenium Framework Design. Now with automation, there is a one default artifact ID. So in the archetype field, just type quick start. And let's select the option org.apache.maven.archetypes. So basically, this is a simple default Maven project, guys. Rightio, this is a default template. So for automation, we can directly choose this default template. Let's open our new Maven project in a new window this time. Now we can see our new Maven project busily being created. Exciting! And the build is successful.
Sweet pancakes, IntelliJ shows the progress and details very clearly. I am starting to love IntelliJ already.
Ha 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 ha! Awesome! Me too! Now, our Selenium framework design Maven project has been successfully created, and all our folders have been created. And under the folders, Java Test, we can create our new class files. But first, let's go to our pom.xml file first to add the dependencies, Selenium Java and test.ng. So let's go to the Maven repository and search for Selenium Java. Now, select the latest Selenium Java version and copy the Selenium Java Maven dependency and paste it into the pom.xml file under the dependencies.
I remember we did this before in Eclipse when we first started learning Selenium. It's great to have a recap and practice and also learning to do this in IntelliJ this time. I am feeling more comfortable and confident with these concepts. Here we go. There is some red error warning highlighted on the versions. Let's have a look, team.
Great stuff, Adeline and team. I love it, that you are no longer scared of errors. It's part of the learning. I find it's when there are errors that we learn more. It's only because we had issues creating a new Maven project in Eclipse that we decided to switch to IntelliJ. Let's figure out why we have this error. Here we go. It says, the HTTP links are not secure. Let's try changing the prefix to HTTPS. Nope, it's not that. It also says Selenium dependency 4.21.0 is not found. Interesting. Let's try using another version. Let's go back to the Maven repository and check a previous version. Rightio. Let's try the version 4.20.0. We can just update the version number directly in the pom.xml file in IntelliJ. Let's see if it works this time. The version still shows as red. That's okay. Let's go back to the Maven repository and check a further previous version. How about the version 4.19.1, third time lucky? Fingers crossed, team.
Hopefully this Selenium Java version works. Sweet pancakes. The red has left the building. It's working now. The Selenium Java dependency will be downloading into our Maven project now. It does take some time.
Yep, that's right. So, let's go back to the Maven repository and search for test.ng and find the latest version of test.ng. and add the test.ng dependency into our pom.xml file. Let's paste the test.ng dependency under the Selenium Java dependency. Excellent. Now, both the Selenium Java and test.ng dependencies have been added to our Maven project. Let's give it some time to download the dependencies. Now, while our new Maven project downloads the dependencies, let's go to a Maven project I had created in advance. Here you see the Selenium Java and test.ng dependencies have been downloaded.
Nice preparation, Mr. Beatcoder.
Thanks, buddy. Now, let's go to the test1 class where I have added some test cases already. As you can see, the layout in IntelliJ is slightly different compared to Eclipse. There are actually buttons on each test case, and we can also run all the test cases in the class. So it's very handy and clear. Let's run all 3 test cases in this class to test this Maven project is working properly, team. Fantastic. There are some warning messages, but our test cases ran successfully. We can see the test results. So, we have successfully created our new Maven project with the default Maven archetype quick start and the Selenium Java and test.ng dependencies in IntelliJ IDEA. We will continue to use IntelliJ from now on, team. Please remember when creating a new Maven project and downloading the dependencies, to give it some time to download the dependencies. In our next lesson, we will be seeing e-commerce application demo, which will be used in the framework. See you all soon.
Mr. Beatcoder, it also looks like we added the test.ng dependency twice in the POM XML file. Let's remove the duplicate.
Ha 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 ha. Great spotting, Adeline and team. Thanks for removing the duplicate. See you all soon.